Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel where it's all about DIYs and fashion. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make these really cute glitter pumps that I was inspired just to be inspired by, because I wanted some really out there shoes for the photo shoot that I did last week for Halloween, and I didn't feel like throwing money at something that I just didn't think that don't need to be thrown money at. And I bought some glitter from Amazon, and I also got the Mod Podge from Amazon as well. And I just took a little container. You'll see. I'm gonna show you. Let's show you how I made these babies right here. Aren't they so cute? I just want to kiss them.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating, 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 levitating.
So since the first coat is on now, I'm just gonna let it dry for like 30 to 35 minutes, because that's what it says on the Podge Mod directions on the back. And then after that, I'm just gonna go on with another coat, and I think I'm gonna do about 3 coats just to get a full effect. And then after that, we're gonna go in with a finishing coat to seal it, and that's what we're gonna do. And let's see how this come out.
Come on, dance with me. Dance. Come on, dance with me. Come on, dance with me. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Baby, let me take you for a ride. I believe that you're for me. I feel it in our energy. I see it's written in the stars. We can go wherever, so let's do it now or never, baby. Nothing's ever too far. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way we are. I feel like we're forever every time we get together, but whatever, let's get lost on Mars. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you.
So this is what we have right now. I still see a little bit that I could probably go over. I don't know if you guys can see this. Maybe it's just me because I'm such a perfectionist. The only part that's bothering me is the inside is catching a lot of glitter. And besides that, it's really coming out the way I want it. We're going to basically finish it with the sealing. So I think I might just go over this little one because it's like really bothering me. And, and this part as well. So I'm just going to go over a little bit, and then I let that dry, and we're gonna just finish it and coat it and not touch it until the next day, because you want to make sure it's like super dry, like super duper dry, because you don't want to touch it and it mess up everything that you work so hard for. You'll be like, I don't know what you'll be like, but you'll be like mad, like big mad.
All night, come on, dance with me. I'm levitating you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm levitating. I'm levitating. I'm levitating. I'm levitating. I'm levitating. Come on, dance with me. Dance.
Alright guys, so it is the next day and all my glitter is sealed just because I just went over the glitter with a last coat of the Mod Podge, and basically it just sealed it right on. I don't have to worry about glitter like dusting everywhere, because before literally like glitter was just dusting everywhere. So you can go without the sealing coat of the Mod Podge, but do I recommend it? No, I don't recommend it, because I feel like as the time goes along, the glitter will slowly scrape off, because you know these are shoes, they're gonna interact with the floor and friction, so you're gonna want to cover it with the Mod Podge to finish it and seal it. So yeah, the only part that's really annoying me the most is this glitter that is inside my shoe, and slowly it's coming out, but I guess that's just coming with time of its you know, going back to a regular shoe and not a craft DIY. I know you see this mess behind me. This is another project that I'm actually doing today as well. Like, I'm always saturated with projects. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have anything to say, you can leave it right there in this section of comments down below. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be coming out with new content each and every Friday, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Baby, let me take you for a ride. I believe that you're for me. I feel it in our energy. I see it's written in the stars. We can go wherever, so let's do it now or never, baby. Nothing's ever too far. Glitter in the sky.